This week's been tough so far. This whole year's been tough. It's been difficult. In my head, I keep comparing now to 4 years ago. So I remember what I did in 2013. I went to Fort Lauderdale Grand Prix. I went to Puerto Rico Grand Prix. Finished 21st in Fort Lauderdale. Finished 7th in Puerto Rico. Missed out on the semi-final. But both times it was all about experience. Although it's probably misplaced pressure, I feel pressure on myself to maintain the standards that I reached last year. I don't even know what I'm aiming for, to be honest. I don't know what I'm aiming for. I mean, score-wise, 400, yeah, fine, normal. But what am I aiming for here? I've never really come to this competition aiming for anything, just aiming to do as many dives as possible in competition. That means making it through this prelim. But how high am I aiming? Am I aiming now to be pushing just for the semi-final, which I used to do before? Am I aiming for the final, which I've never made the final here? Am I aiming for a medal? But you can't think about that too early because you got to get in the final first. What if you don't even make the semi-final? These are all thoughts in my head on a daily basis, but I never talk about it to anyone. Alright guys, so prelim has literally just finished and it is good news. I made it through into the semi-final in 10th place. It wasn't the best competition I've ever done. I finished on 382 points, but I put in one new dive and it went reasonably well. And all I can do now is try and improve going into the semi-final, which is later on today. So here are my dives from the prelim. Chill out, not playing on that, definitely not playing on that. Chill out, get some food, and get ready for the semi-final later on today. Okay, so we've reached the end of the day. It has been a long, difficult day, very tiring, but I'm back in my hotel room now. It's got a little bit messier than it was the other day, but we have good news again, as I made it through from the semi-final to the final just about on some interesting circumstances. Here are my dives from the semi-final. okay. I dived well. That was alright. Could have done better. I ended on 398 points, but the Chinese diver in my event, he did a dive. He apparently knee buckled, then bailed. He was doing reverse 3.5. He bailed at 2.5 somersaults, came out and hit his hand on the board, and then after that he pulled out of the competition. But he was so far ahead that he would have won the semi-final had he completed his last couple of dives. But the way it goes, you got to do your dives to be in it. He did not complete his dives, unfortunately. So I managed to sneak my way through in third place in the semi-final and got myself a spot in the final. So the final kicks off on Sunday, starting at 12:10 local time. That is 11:10 a.m. in Jamaica and 5:10 p.m. in England. So I hope you guys can tune in. I'll post the link to the website where you can watch the live video in the description. And thanks for all the support. It's been a great week, and hopefully it can continue in the final.